YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here today with a tiny little haul from Walmart. So first I got this on clearance. This was only 49 cents. So yeah, it says we go together like Jim and Pam. I don't know who Jim and Pam is. I don't really care, but I just thought it was nice for 49 cents because it came, you know, with this board. I gotta sneeze. Excuse me. Oh, excuse me. Anyway, so I just, you know, if you have any kids, I don't know, you know, if they like who Jim and Pam are, but, you know, I thought it might be cute just for me, not necessarily for my grandson, but this is for me. Just, you know, the main things I got to do for work or at home, and then, like, things for the day, and, of course, I can just rip this off. So, just thought it was a nice, quick, for 49 cents that I can put on my desk and use. And I've got to say thank you for stopping by. I hope you're having an awesome, awesome day. I got 3 of these utility trays. I use these because they are so much cheaper than the jewelry trays. These are less than $4. They're like $3.80, I think 82 cents. And I use these to store my beads. Now, I'm one of those people, I'm a little anal retentive. I sort my stuff all out like this, you know, by colors and stuff. But I like these because, yeah, they are so much cheaper, and these do come off. I'm going to make the noise, sorry about the noise. But that comes off easily, and you can get a lot of storage, and you can compartmentalize the way you want, because you can put them in there or leave them out. So you have 18 adjustable compartments, and so for $3.82, that's cheaper than paying the $20-some for these same type of trays over in the craft section. So these are the utility trays, sorry, that you find over there when you go fishing. So this is what I use to sort my beads. I mean, I save some money on that one, so I can buy more beads, right? And then last but not least, they had this up there. I don't know how good all these beads are. They had this for 20 bucks. It was a lot of beads, different sizes. Oops. Did my blade just come out? Yes, it did. So, this is nothing new at Walmart. This has been there for a while. They've had these on and off, and they got the seed bead ones and different stuff like that. I don't know why I got it today. Wow, see what happens? So anyway, that's 6 different color sets of beads and different sizes. So some of them wouldn't all just be for, like, you know, dangles and stuff. Some could be for necklaces and bracelets and of such. And of course it would be my favorite color, red. It would be the one that's going to burst open. But anyway, so that was a good deal for 20 bucks, I think, for that many different types of beads and different sizes and stuff. Because I like sometimes having a variation. But anyway, they're going to be everywhere. I got to go find them all. So, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.